Pickup, Ohio. Guy walks out immediately. He's like, that's not gonna work. I'm like, okay. You mind showing me what we're loading? I think we got it. We've got it. Well, but the problem is, if we go this way, you won't have no way just to make it tight from going. Strapping it. Right. Okay, we're gonna have to call the broker and see what the deal is there. Okay. That's fine. All right, thank you. I will. The joys. So we had to reduce the size of the load. Everything has been confirmed through broker and everything else. So we're moving that rear one to here, and then we're putting the accessories on the back. So we should be strapping down and getting out of here. So they told me don't strap over the top, so I have to run them through this, right? Through these tillers. And there's metal frames everywhere, so that's good. I still got to get up there and do that one. Through. See, it's like hooking right on that steel 4x4. But these tires, I just don't like that whatsoever. So I don't know what to do about these tires. They couldn't put them on pallets and wrap them or something. Gonna crawl up top, and then I get some fresh eyes on those tires. Like I said, I had to get fresh eyes on this, right? Because I just was not comfortable with the way it was. So went up there, did that, thought about it while I was up there strapping those, because that was easy. Came back here and said, okay, they got it. That's where they plug in a machine. So that'd be an axle or whatever. But now I got a strap on either side of it. So this shifts, right? That stays in there. But I was just having visions of one of these things falling off, going through a windshield, and I'm like, God darn it, like I need to figure this out. So Now we got 2 straps on them. I kind of had to shuffle them around. I'm still getting that angle out of it, but I don't know what else to do. You know, yeah, it's not going anywhere now, but airbags are filled. So there's another design flaw in here. If this slides all the way forward, it actually rubs a tire. It slides all the way back, rubs a tire when the airbags deplete. So right there. So I gotta make sure those are tight. Other than that, my friends, we're out of here. Oh, I'm heading to the, what is it, the south, southwest corner of North Carolina. That's about as much detail as I'm gonna give into that. Not gonna really blast on the internet where my parents live. So I'm from Orlando. Business is based out of Orlando, and my folks live up there. And I gave my dog Samantha, you may have seen her in the earlier videos, she's the gorgeous blonde giving me a high five. I had to let them take her as I'm trying to figure out this business because she's too big and rambunctious. She's just full of energy and I don't want to keep her locked up in there all day. So, but there's a load. Who's that? Who's that? Oh my god, oh my god. Hello, hello, hello. Who's that? And that's Samantha. Samantha. Good morning, Monday. Spent the weekend over at my folks' house. Got to see my dog. Got to play a round of golf with my dad at his old plantation house, which was pretty cool. But hit the shot of my life. Check it out. I'm about to get soaking wet. Ah! Oh, told you I'd make it. Yeah, that ball was literally sitting on the grass. That was floating in the water. The ball was sitting there. So let's see that again in slow-mo. All right, now that we've gotten to Georgia, I've got that fun time out of my way. Stayed at a truck stop and I've got this huge drive to get rid of the farm equipment, and it is right behind me. Yeah, found this Pilot. It's actually right across the street from the drop. So it's now like 7:45 a.m. I am going to be dropped and rolling to my next pickup pretty quickly. So here we go. We got a pickup with 6 drops going back, and then we'll be in Orlando, Florida, hopefully tonight or tomorrow morning. So my morning routine: coffee, smoke, boom boom, then I'm off and running. Here we go. Perfect. Found a person inside, came out, looked at it, said pull around the building, we'll get you unloaded. So great. Nice place in Georgia, tons of equipment. It's like John Deere. But yeah, let's get this unloaded. So this strap, I don't know if you saw that, I had to unwind the whole thing. And what happened was, when I wound it up, it was pressing so hard against the left side that it was binding in there, right? So yeah, unwound the whole thing. I just got to make sure I keep them centered when I'm winding them up. Or again, like I said, I couldn't even pull it back with the latch unlocked. Oh, that was a first. But they're trying to figure out how to unload. They don't have the right attachment for the forklift, so. But I'm sure these little boys will be able to figure it out. Just gotta climb up top, get rid of those, clean up my mess, and we out of here. New pickup's 30 miles away. So this is nice. I'm done. Straps are put away. Everything's done. So, made myself a little breakfast. Paperwork signed, deck clear, airbags are filling, we're ready to go. Yeah, got to do a huge shout out to Tow Piglet. Thank you, brother, for posting, and all the new people from the community board there. Welcome, and thank you for all the kind words I've gotten thus far. Welcome to KDL Hotshot. We just had them sign the BOL. I always do this on time, no damage, have them print and sign their name. This way they cannot burn you a week down the road and say, oh, that thing was wrecked when you brought it, or whatever. On time, no damage. So I signed that. Have them do that on every BOL. And now I'm getting ready to click cam scanner, send it in, get paid for this guy. So I don't know what it was Ohio, South Ohio to North Georgia. And I did it on 1 tank of gas. So 380 bucks I filled. I got 93 gallons in here. And yeah, it's $380. This low paid $2,500 and 380 gas. So whatever that is, what is that? $2,120, and it was about 600 miles. So yeah, a little over 600 miles, I think. 650, something like that. So pretty good paying load, uneventful. Check engine light is not coming on anymore, so maybe my prayers to God actually worked out and no more issues before we go home. To the next pickup.